Welcome back, boys. We're back at the garage again. Dereck.
Hello.
Peter, what are you doing on all fours?
I'm just playing.
Playing with yourself?
No, with this.
Oh, okay. Well, we're gonna change the oil in Dereck's car. Apparently, he hasn't ever changed the oil since he bought the car.
Nah.
Not even checked the level.
Nah.
Nice. We got a new fuel pump for the E46 there. See if it works. Because the guy we bought it from, he said the only thing wrong with it was the fuel pump. So we'll find out if that's true. And we got a brand new toolbox, which we're really happy about. Look at that. Full of tools, full of goodies. Really nice. It was delivered yesterday and it's just like Christmas came early. Dereck's got some fancy new lights in his car. Look at this. I'll turn it on. Look at that. That looks actually really cool, mate. Does it change colour?
Remote control.
Ah!
Shit.
Stop breaking the garage.
No, I do what I want. What colour you want?
I don't know, what colour do you have?
Pink.
Oh yeah!
Pink. Got loads of colours.
No, that's really cool.
Flash.
Oh, nice.
And speed it up.
I'll have to put on
That's fancy.
seal, actually.
So is it like LEDs around the thing? Oh, I see. That is really cool.
Some of the LEDs are a little broke. But
I see, like the colours in there that I can see on the camera, but yeah. But yeah, mate, it's cool.
I hope that seal on the back is okay, because I cannot reach to that axle bolt
What?
to put under it. Because it's too far to the left.
Is the seal rusty?
It's a bit bitten.
It'll be okay.
is the seal rust?
What do you think? It looks like someone tried to chew on it, but
I got hungry.
it didn't
alright?
make it.
I got hungry.
Yeah, it seems alright.
What's the worst can happen?
The worst can happen. What's happening?
Broken.
Not yet.
How many people do you need to change oil in a E46?
It's pretty easy.
I like your stance, mate. It's not a lot of pressure.
This is maybe not a lot of oil.
I mean, it's a BMW after all.
Well, yeah, it's probably leaked 90% of it out.
I mean, it definitely did. You can see it around it.
Yeah. See what it looks like.
Oh, damn. Doesn't look tragically, to be fair.
No, that's right. As long as there's no metal on it. No, it looks alright.
No, I cannot see anything, to be fair. Not even...
Like no sparkle or
No
nothing.
sparkle, nothing, literally.
Oh, no. Oh,
In the hole.
empty hole.
Big hole. Oh no.
Oh, don't be making a mess. I probably think it's leaking oil.
That's the one thing I'm the best at. Making a mess.
Making a mess.
Breaking
Yeah, this
stuff.
is true.
Sometimes, you know.
Yeah.
Occasionally, obviously.
Yeah, yeah.
But I'm doing my best to not doing this. That's why my Z is in the garage.
Yeah. Yeah. With no engine in it. As you've seen in the
nothing-
previous video.
Well, that's nothing to break then, you know.
Yeah, true. If you've not got an engine in there, you
Yeah.
can't break it, so...
Oh, 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 oh. Oh, look at that. Alright, with Dereck's car done, it's time for Lee's MX-5. He just bought a new MX-5. Well, new to him. It's actually quite cool. It's a Mark III. And we started yesterday. We're gonna put a new exhaust in it, make it a bit louder, sound a bit sportier. But the exhaust was too short. So one of our neighbors here, he did some welding for us. Look at that. He made this pipe a bit bigger. So this is the exhaust, it's 2 bits. Before we start, we're gonna do a before and after ref check. There you go, go on. Also, what they done yesterday was this is a bit rusty underneath. So Lee's got some, what was it? There you go. Some rust converter and some underseal.
So that's the final effect, which is look like this. It's sort of like a black coat.
No, it looks really nice.
It looks like
it
new.
looks so much better.
Before that all looked like there's nothing to compare right now.
No, it was just really rusty. It looks miles better now, doesn't it?
Yes.
So the bit we're doing is comes off here. So we're removing that. So we remove this silencer and remove this silencer, and we'll attach here. Oh no, what happened, mate?
Now I found bleeding again.
You know?
No, it's just pain.
Oh.
Oh, alright. I got used to it already, that pain.
I think you'll survive. Oh, it was nice and easy.
Hey, lubrication always help.
That's what she said.
Nice. There you go. Nice, bro. Come on, give us some. Diesel, can't hear anything. You alright, mate?
Hello.
What are you doing?
Nothing.
What?
Nothing.
Nothing.
No one's doing anything.
It looks nice.
Okay, I might be doing something.
Maybe.
Yeah. I'm doing something. Like, I'm making a mess. I know that much. But
It looks pretty good.
doesn't look too bad, to be fair.
Oh, it looks alright.
Just need to get all the little
Nice
bits
and
out the bottom.
tinted.
Little fingers at the bottom. Just need to get them. But other than that, all good.
Nice, good job.
Getting there. Do the other side in a minute.
Exhaust is back on. In there, we got the nuts and the bolts.
It's nuts.
Yeah, so it's all in there. Go for it, mate. Please putting the braces back on. Come on, mate. I'll hold it here. It's coming down.
Yes. Do you think it's gonna be better?
I don't know. What do you think?
Definitely gonna be better.
Oh!
Give it a grip.
Yeah, boy, I like that. Alright, Lee's happy with his car. It sounds pretty good. Let us know what you guys think. And now it's time to see if we get this started. Got the fuel pump here with the fluctuator or whatever it's called, and the new rubber. So put it on and get the battery on and see if it starts, because the guy did say this is the reason why it wouldn't start. That's the old fuel pump off. You see, pretty yellow. I mean, obviously that's not the reason why it's not working, because it's yellow, but this is the new one. So we're gonna put it on now and then we're gonna try it. Okay. I still need priming.
Should we try
I can't hear the
fuses?
pump. The thing is, I can't hear the pump.
That's exactly what I'm saying. Maybe we should check fuses.
We couldn't start it, but Peter is checking all the fuses, and we found this one. Don't know if you can see it there, but it's blown. So we're replacing it. Now he's just checking all the other ones, and we're gonna try again. Alright. I still can't hear a fuel pump.
It's very weird.
Let's try though.
Finally.
Finally. Oh, I'm so happy because I was thinking it's gonna cost me a lot of money. But sounds actually alright, doesn't it?
It says it's open there.
Not yet, not yet. Not yet. Oh my. I can smell fuel, which is good. Give it a little one, a little one. Nice. I am so happy. I am so happy. Let's turn it off, please, mate. Oh yes.
To be fair, I'm wondering if that fuse wasn't from the beginning the
Yes.
problem.
Maybe the pump was alright.
Did the fuse blow up?
Yeah, we should have checked that before trusting anyone else.
Well, we're gonna keep that one then, the old one.
Yeah, we keep that.
Just in
Yeah.
case. Because always a potential it could go.
Mate,
Oh, I'm so happy.
after seven
I'm
long years,
Yeah, maybe longer.
let's start on a baton.
On a baton.
On
On a baton.
Alright, this is a perfect ending to this video. I'll see you next week where we're gonna put the brakes and all the parts back in this thing and hopefully take it for a drive in the yard. So, peace out.
See you later.